To my channel. Today I'll take you through a brief tutorial on how you can set up a YouTube channel, and it's simple and it's easy. I'm using my Android so that you can see how it is done on a mobile. So the first thing you're going to do right in here, you have to locate your browser because we're going to go through the browser. So you scroll through wherever your browser is. I'm going to use Chrome, Google Chrome in this instance. So you click on Google Chrome, and the moment you click on it, you wait for it to open. Okay, so let me take off this and come up with a new tab. Is that okay? So I open a new tab, and on the new tab, I'm going to type youtube.com. youtube.com, and you click enter. The moment you enter, it brings you to the interface of the YouTube page. Well, this is what you do. You need to pay attention here because this is a place where everything changes. If you are on the mobile, you may likely see m.youtube.com. So when you have m.youtube.com, it means that your mobile, it's in a mobile mode, and there's something you can do to help you change to a desktop or laptop mode. It's a little click, a little secret that you have to do. If you don't know how to do that, you may not be able to navigate and really configure the things we want to do to create your YouTube channel. That is if you are using a mobile. For a laptop or for a desktop, you don't have any problem. So there is these three top hamburger signs here, the top here, at the right top corner. You click on it, and you see where it says desktop mode. You change to desktop mode. You see desktop mode. Did you see that? Yeah, I want to be sure that you can see it. Then click on the box to activate it. So the moment you activate desktop mode, your stuff begins to function like a desktop. You see, so it has changed from mobile. You won't see m.youtube.com. Now you're going to see youtube.com. Your interface may get smaller, so you may need to zoom or do auto rotate to help you with that. Now the next thing you're going to do is going to click on your icon. It's very small at the right. The icon of your stuff, you're going to click on it. When you click on it, it will bring a drop down. You can zoom up if you want to zoom up like this, zoom in rather. Do you see that? Then you're going to see places where you have your channel. Be sure you are in your channel. If you have a channel, you will see. But if you don't have a channel, the moment you click on it, you will see create a channel. It's a plus sign. That's what you will see if you don't already have a channel. But if you already have a channel, you won't see create a channel there. So even if you were not aware you created a channel and you don't see it, it means you already have an existing channel that you may have created without knowing, or somebody helped you to create. So what you're going to do now, when you click that drop down, you're going to click on switch account, not your channel. You're going to click on switch account. The moment you click on switch account, then all of the channels that you ever have on your profile will show up. So now you can see that here I have about three here. So I click on view all channels. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on view all channels. Did you see it? So when you click on view all channels, you click on view all channels. And the moment you click on view all channels, it loads. You wait for it to load. And this is when you're going to see create a channel. You see that sign as I zoom out, zoom in, see the plus sign saying create a channel. So you click on it. You get that? The moment you click on it, then the form to fill in order for you to create a channel comes. So what do you do here? This column says add channel name. So in this place, you're going to put a channel. The channel you're going to place in is dependent on your purpose, what you want to achieve. You want to use the channel to promote your brand, or you want to give a generic name to it, or you want to use this for specifically YouTube monetization where you have an AdSense account, you'll be monetized. It will now determine the type of name you will give to it. Do you understand? So if you already have a business brand name, you can put it, or you have something you want to get out. For example, you want to go into snailery, so you can come with snail farms channel or something that's related with the keyword, you see? So you place it in there. So for example, let me put a channel name. I want to do something related to gaming. So I can just say game house, something like game house, something like that. Then you click on this box that makes you, I understand, you accept. Then create a channel is activated. The moment you click on create a channel, you discover that your account will be created. Well, I already have a lot of channels, so I don't really want to create one now, but you go ahead and click on it and you get that. The moment you get that, it will show that your account has been created, and you see you can log in. But if that name doesn't exist, they may tell you the account does not exist. Not that it doesn't exist, they will give you an extension. It will be approved, but with an extended name. So you log in again to your profile and you get in there. So that is actually the simple way to create a channel. So I've been able to show you how to create a channel using your mobile. So for any one of you who connect to my webinars or my seminars, here is a step-by-step tutorial that will help you going until you comprehend and understand it. This step is the first step, creating your channel. There are other steps to follow. Channel, that's creating a channel is one. The next thing is customizing and branding the channel. Then we have optimizing the channel, then monetizing the channel. So those are the steps to follow. And here we go. That is it, my friend. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Thank you. This is David Austin signing out. So we are done. Is that okay?